I just washed my hair and then I blew dried it out. So as you can see, the clothes are still intact. I just need to blow dry it at this point. I mean, flat iron it. It's really poofy and thick now. Yeah, but it was like super duper greasy from when the girl who did it, she greased my natural hair, which rained down on my batos. Some parts still look a little greasy, but it could be because it's probably still a little wet. So I'm gonna let the remainder of it dry a little bit more, like air dry a little bit more, and like my roots and stuff. But other than that, that's all I'm doing today. Other than cleaning, y'all, I feel like the last 2 vlogs I put up was talking about me cleaning. But during the week, my house gets so freaking messy because of Jaquel and Kinsley. Y'all, I love Moana, so I'm looking at Moana right now with Kinsley while she eat her graham crackers. I mean, Teddy Grahams. I honestly want to take a nap, but I can't take a nap because if I show y'all what it looks like outside, y'all will be like, what the hell? Matter of fact, let me show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna let her stay up here. Y'all, she dancing. My daughter's room is a hot mess, but no, she loves Moana. Go downstairs. Jaquel's here, but he's asleep right now. So, y'all, it's like snowing really bad. That's not my car. I'm not sure whose car that is, but my car is in the garage. And it's still snowing. But, yeah. So, yeah, I told you guys it was snowing. Really bad. We woke up with all that snow. No one told us that it was going to be snowing. Hey, not even the news. Whew. So, I'm assuming nobody knew. I would show her, but y'all, my child hair not the comb. Face is not clean. She looks a mess. But anywho, I'm loving my new job. I won't go into a lot of details as to what I do or anything like that. Just for the sole purpose of my job and then for me, my safety. Because what I do is really targeted, whatever. But yeah, oh y'all, my knees are so ashy. But anywho, I'm waiting on this chick who's doing my taxes to email me back. I sent her all of my information yesterday, so I'm ready for her to calculate them numbers. Yeah, but seriously, I want to start spring shopping for me and Kinsley, and then get some stuff for the new place, like curtains and stuff. So yeah, it's really a chill day. Excuse me, I'm not sure what I'm cooking today. I might not cook nothing. I might order a pizza and then cook tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. But anywho, back to my job. I love my job. Love my benefits. Like, I'm military because my husband is, but my job benefits for as in dental and vision is a whole lot better than TRICARE's dental and vision. Yeah. Oh yeah, so when I stopped vlogging or whatever and posting videos, people were asking me about military life, military benefits, everything dealing with the military pretty much, like housing. And now that I'm back, I can definitely get some videos up like that, do some sit-down videos of military life. But this channel is just really any and everything, like regular vlogs, military life, and such. But just comment down below if some of you guys want to see some of this military life we live in. Ain't all that, but it is what it is. And also, I'm getting braces. I am thinking about getting braces. Well, I'm not thinking. I need to reschedule my appointment, actually. I'm honestly, today's the 10th, are wanting to get them put on within the next 2 weeks. So we'll see. But just comment down below on this as well if you guys would like me to do update. Oh, okay. Updates on, okay, that was better. Updates on like me getting my braces, the process once I get them put on, and just stuff like that. So just let me know. And I know somebody recently just reached out to me on social media, I think it was Facebook, that they want to see more of Kinsley. Me and show her off a lot. But hey, why is you stuffing all those cookies in your mouth? Weirdo. But yeah, so I'll be back on the camera. Let me tie this hair down before I press it out and finish watching Moana. So it is really snowing bad outside. Oop. And I don't have on like a huge coat. I don't own a huge coat. You guys, we have only been living in Colorado for, on the 17th of this month will make, the 17th of this month will make 5 months we've been living here. So we haven't been living here long. But y'all, if I could just show y'all this snow, like, it's freaking snow everywhere. And thank God everybody is driving like they have sense and they're going really slow. Because in Georgia, they don't. Oh yeah, and by the way, I still haven't flat ironed the hair yet. Only because I've been being lazy. But I needed to come to Walmart, which is not too far from my house. Because Kinsley needs milk and I need fruit. So yeah. But anywho, oh yeah, and I need to get something to cook for tonight and something to cook for tomorrow so I can have lunch on Monday. So yeah, but oh my God, people are like legit on the side of the road. What is going on? I ain't even in my lane. I don't even know where my lane start and end. It's so covered in snow. And if you guys hear anything, it's probably my heat because I'm blasting it. Are they on the right side of the road? Oh, okay, so I was turning in the turning lane. Okay, whatever. But I will talk to y'all when I make it because this is not safe at all. It's seriously, you guys, is a whiteout. So I just stopped my last clip, but then when I see this, I was like, I have to freaking show them this. It's so much snow that I'm pretty sure they usually come and plow literally all day when it snows to where the roads are super clear, but it doesn't look like they made my side of town. Oh, they're gonna plow over there, but this nigga ain't got his damn plow thing down. So what the hell am I job by? Well, I was cleaning. Yeah, I'm about to try her hair. Oh, she gone. Her hair need to be combed, but I need to wash it tonight. Well, no, I'll wash it tomorrow. I'll put her in the tub tonight, but I'll wash it tomorrow, but so it can be nice and fresh for daycare on Monday. Delicioso. Huh? Huh? I didn't hear you. Smart mouth. But this is her last week at her old daycare, and then she starts at the daycare at my job. Yeah. You want to say hey to the vlog? They can't see you. I don't even know if it's a rolling around. I'm supposed to end and need to cook, but I'm waiting on Jaquel to clean the kitchen. Because I cleaned the living room, vacuumed, cleaned half of the kitchen. He's going to do the other half. And I cleaned our room. I cleaned Kinsley's room. I just need to hit the bathrooms downstairs and upstairs. But other than that, y'all, we're not doing nothing. He's watching this game. Yeah, my child is so weird. She just rubbing her head up against her daddy's feet. Stop, nasty. Get from under it. Yo, this is me every day, all day. Stop. No. Stop, Kinsley. No, Kinsley. But this is going to be a short little vlog, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. And then probably try to do a sit-down video tomorrow while Kinsley is taking a nap. And see if Jaquel wants to do the husband and wife tag to see how well we know each other. He's shaking his head though because he gonna lose. But until next time, bye.